Hello and welcome back to the Minecart Rider, and today we are going to be playing Angry Birds 2, and I've already started this I only started yesterday, and I've got Red, the Truck and the three twins. Is that what they're called? I don't know. Well, and I know the black one's Bomb and the white one's Matilda, which is weird. And the big one looks like Red's just been mutated. And have you seen the Angry Birds movie yet? Because it is amazing. I've seen it. It's just amazing. So, yeah. How is it? It's logging in. It logged in. But why aren't you saying... Oh, here we go. Yeah, I'm on Pork City already. But I'm just going to show you what was my favourite boss fight. It was the King Pig. Even though it was the hardest, I still pretty liked it. So just play the game. And you can see, that 2 looks amazing. I wish I could draw a 2 like that. Listen to the theme tune. So yeah. Let's go. I kind of wasted them already. And this one I couldn't do because of that fan. It's kind of really, very annoying. Blast off, Rocket! Blast off! Oh, okay. And it's 3D, which I love. Yeah, so looks like this is the one for the twins. Or the triplets. Triplets then. The triplets turn. Oh! Okay. That's fair enough. I didn't have to do anything. I just pulled back the slingshot and I was like, I'm there, I quit, I'm going. So yeah. 19. And guys, you should really play this game because it's amazing. And you have lives. You do have lives. Like, I'll show you right now. So, if I launch that rocket directly at the top there, I think it will launch. It needs to go. Oh, I thought it would work. I'm just gonna launch off this rocket. Oh goodness, there's the bomb! Wow. 2 hits, extra card. Away. So yeah, get into this. Where the piggies? You're going down. You're going in. You're going down to Chinatown. What down to Chinatown? Oh yeah. That piggy's gonna fall. Yes, that took out one of the legs. Now you're gonna fall. Wow. Extra card. Away. Now we are finished. High score. New high score. Good. I always like new high scores. Now, the chest is mine. Did I get? The heat is on. Oh my goodness. I get it. Level 20. Good. So yeah, I'm making progress already in this video. And I've only got 1 more minute left, guys, so I'll complete maybe 1 level and then I'll be done. The heat is on. Come on. I only have a little bit more seconds left. I only have more seconds left. Yay! The heat is on. Fire! Ooh! And guys, I've sadly run out of time in this video, so if it's the first video, please subscribe and don't forget to ride that minecart to the subscribe button. See you guys all later. Bye!